Hey guys, so it's me, Callie, and I'm back with another video. And today, I'm out of breath, but my cousin is over there on her brother's dirt bike, and this is gonna be a video about her riding her dirt bike. So, let's get started. Oh, okay guys, so that's her brother's dirt bike, and so basically she's just riding it for about like 10 minutes because that's how long her brother said to, because it's his bike, but she needs to get used to it because she might be riding on it in the summer. So yeah, but we are in the cornfield. I found a Chick-fil-A bag. Let's show you guys. Look, literally a Chick-fil-A bag. If it would focus. But it does say it does say Chick-fil-A. You can see her back there. But yeah. So basically, we are just riding it. So I'm gonna get closer, as close as I can. Would probably be about right here. So, hey Tristan! But yeah, it is really bright out there. Like, the sun is literally directly right there. So yeah, so I'm crazy. I'm being the crazy cousin as I am, and freaking like being in the freaking cornfield. So yeah. But I don't know why I'm staring at this random thing. But basically, we're in her backyard. Her house is right there. So we're in the backyard. And there's a cornfield in the backyard. She is over there. Somewhere. She's over there. But yeah. So this is gonna be my YouTube video today. Sorry that I haven't been posting recently, but I'm trying to do the best as I can. Literally, there's like an airplane right there. There's a tower right there. There's another tower. There's junk. But yeah, so she was right there. Like, she is a good person. She is a good bike rider. So I don't know why, but I'm trying to knock this corn down. Okay, this one's hard. Okay, it's easier when you kick it. I'm trying to find full corn. I don't know why, but I'm starting to get scared for some reason. I feel like somebody's watching us. Like besides God. Like, I literally feel like there's some random person watching us. I don't know why though. But yeah, so she's right there. But like, I'm gonna like go where it's flat, like close to where it's flat. Sorry if you can't hear me, I have to kind of like yell. When I'm over here, I have to yell, because it's gonna be really loud. So yeah. Like literally there's snow on the ground over there. Literally. And you see, I'm not wearing a jacket. So, I messed up, but she is. She knows that I'm doing a freaking YouTube video. It's been 6 minutes! Guys, it's literally been 6 minutes. We have 4 more minutes to go until we have to put it away, I guess. But literally there's snow and I'm not wearing a jacket. So I'm screwed. And like I'm starting to get like the chills. You can see that I'm starting to get goosebumps. Oh, all you guys can see is here. I'm starting to get goosebumps, so that means that I'm starting to. But yeah. So yeah, she's right there. I'm gonna go closer. She's like out there. I'm just gonna get closer. Holy shit. Holy crap. Sorry guys, but like the sun is here. It's Friday. No, it's not Friday. Saturday. I'm freaking cold. Come on, it's been 7 minutes, Tristan. Okay, the sun is making it not easy. But she's literally right there. So flipping close.
How long has it been?
Set 8 minutes. Yeah, he literally, I told them. See guys, I told you 10 minutes and it's been 8 minutes. So we have 2 more minutes to go. 2 more minutes! But yeah, so guys, wish me luck. Literally, I want to get acrylic nails. Because like these need to be acrylic. But I do have some nail polish at my house, so my mom might be able to. 1 more minute! 1 more minute! So guys, we have 1 more minute. And she's messing around. Literally, we have 1 more flipping minute. By the time she gets back here, it's... What the fuck? There's literally 1 minute left.
What? I know I'm on video. I can tell. Time to go back.
Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, so we're I'm literally running. Okay, I should stop running. She is right there. But she gets over here and stops it. Every time she comes close to me, I feel like she's gonna run me over. See, that's how you know that it's her brother's bike. Your legs hurt, don't they? That's what you get.
I think I go like this. This turn.
Oh, I'm cold.
How?
Freaking cold. Because I've been standing around.
This thing's hard to turn.
It's been 11 minutes now.
Well, just for that bike.
Well, yeah.
Because we can't let it run too long, because it's too cold.
Yep.
Gary, no wonder what style.
We're not going in the field, are we?
No.
Okay.
Too hard. You can't turn on field.
Just get rid of the 50. Wait, no, because then Cora and Ray won't be able
Let's
to.
wait for the training wheels on this again.
It's so, guys, literally, you guys can hear, like, literally, she is struggling. She almost freaking hit that tree. Wait, stop. Like, she is struggling. Guys, I'm swinging on the swing. I know. I'm going to stand at the end of the driveway. Okay. So, guys, we are going to stand at the end of her driveway. So, literally, she is freaking, like, she can't even freaking, like, turn in this crap. Hey, there's a basketball hoop. She is over there. But yeah, good luck. Really, it's like so freaking messed. It's so messed up. Guys, it's literally so messed up. I'm gonna go up here. But literally, she is all the way over there. You can't even barely even see her. She's that thing moving now. Guys, it's like so messed up that she can't even freaking like do anything with it. I'm just gonna sit in this chair. Ah, this is better. Even though it's cold. It's freaking cold. It's cold out, guys. I don't know why I agreed to come out here. She's in the ditch. She's in the ditch. Whenever she laughs, she's not okay. Whenever she says that she's okay, but she's laughing, that means she's not okay. As she falls again. There she is. Pull up your dang pants. But guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here. Oh shoot. Tristan, say bye to them. Really? Well, say bye to them. She's too busy right now, but this is all for today's video. Make sure you subscribe down below. I'll give you my Musical.ly down below and my Snapchat down below, and maybe even her Musical.ly and her Snapchat. Maybe. But that's all for today's video, so bye.